What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. We're over here at the B&B down in Austin. This is still day 2 of the MotoGP trip. Today at the track was the sprint race and Moto2 qualifying and some other things like that, so had a lot of fun out there. Now we're about to zip over to the bike show that's going on this week. It's called Handbuilt. But anyways, just take a quick look at the bike. There's the dudes over there on the Hypers. Got the Coda racetrack vinyl on the tail now, looking sick. And the Aprilia brake reservoir sock to go along with the Ducati stickers on the MV. Just really mixing it up. If he was gonna make that one. Look at that pimped out lowrider over there. It's that awkward time of the day where we switched over to clear visors, but the sun's still beaming in my eyes. Get these RS Tai Chi shoes tightened down a little bit. This boas are awesome. These are the Dry Master shoes. I just got them right before this trip. The weather's cooperated for us pretty well while we're down here. I mean, it was hot as hell today, but Apple weather said like a 70% chance of rain, which I don't know where they're getting their weather predictions from, but not even close. It was been blue skies all day. Went to the gym this morning, a little cloudy, but probably since I'd say 11 o'clock onward, literally just been blue skies, clear just like this. So I don't know who their weather guy is, but maybe they need to get a new one. It's funny, today out at the track, those guys were telling me once the Moto2 qualifying started, bikes were flying by us on the grandstands. We're in turn 15. Those guys were like, dude, your bike sounds exactly like a Moto2 bike. I thought that was pretty cool. You see Max's new hat that he got out there? Everybody grabbed a little bit of merch. Well, those guys did. I didn't really grab anything. Wasn't anything that I felt like splurging on. There's a nice little pull for you. If what they were saying is right and this thing sounds like a Moto2 bike, then I feel bad for everybody I've ever blown past, because those things are loud. Ear-piercingly loud when you're sitting there in the stands. I actually busted out my AirPod Pros and turned the noise cancellation setting on just to try to protect the ears a little bit. Oh, it's funny. Max is up there jamming out, hitting the drums. I guess these guys are saying that the place that's hosting the Handbuilt Motorcycle Show that we're going to is somewhere that we rode by yesterday. It's like down here in downtown Austin. I guess I just wasn't paying attention because I didn't see where it was at. Probably gonna be some pretty sick bikes here though. I'm excited to see what's out here. Every little event that we've gone to, there's basically been a bike show in the parking lot. Hell. I know I've already said this a couple times on the trip, but just coming down here and just riding in a different city and having kind of a change of scenery and a change of pace, change of roads, super refreshing. Hopefully the people that have already been followers of the channel appreciate it. I mean, look at this. Here's the Austin skyline right here. A little different than our normal riding location in Dallas. Big boy Max up here used to play football out there at the stadium. I'm pretty sure he was a defensive end. Screaming. Dude likes the bike. Look at this. These bikers here did a little takeover of this gas station. Look how invisible this cop right here looks. He was mugging us. Wonder what's going on over here. Death Meyer's sold out. Holy shit. Nice. Downtown Austin. Pretty cool city. I'm sure I'm gonna have to make another trip down here because my girlfriend's gonna want to come down here. This is my first time in Austin. Handbuilt Motorcycle Show. Fantastic. Look at this. This is awesome. Every single event here has free motorcycle parking. Repsol Hondas, we've been talking about those all week. All of us love them. Looking like race bikes. So keep on the front row this time. Yeah. So we can leave whenever the hell we want to. Brandon! This dude's over here checking out Brandon and Max's clear clutch covers. Everybody likes the hypers. We'll go ahead and shut the camera off, go chill with everybody, check out the motorcycle show.